Well, here we have the 481 7020
The train now approaching platform 5 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of
Felixstowe to
platform 5.
Bashford Hall. Sorry.
Luggage unattended on the station. Platform 4 for the 1440 London North Western Railway service to London
Now we've got a London Euston bound.
Street. Calling at Penkridge,
London
Wolverhampton,
North Western.
Cosley, Birmingham New Street, Marston Green, Birmingham International, Hampton in Ardell, Tile Hill, Coventry, Rugby, Long Buckney, Northampton, Milton Keynes Central, Watford Junction.
Coming in is the 1503 from Bristol to Manchester Piccadilly with the 1M45 service. 220.034. And soon departing out is the 1V59 bound for Payton from Manchester Piccadilly. Departing at 1503. Departing the station is the 1503 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Mead. And she's chugging away lovely there.
This train is formed of...
Now approaching platform number 4 is the 1512 London North Western service to London Euston.
London North Western Railway service to London Euston via Birmingham New Street. Calling at Penkridge,
350-113. Lovely little noise on that one. And arriving at platform 5 is the 1510 to Liverpool Lime Street. 350-265.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Now departing to Liverpool is the 1510 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street. And again chugging away nicely. Now departing is the 1512 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. Yeah, getting away quite nicely there.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended.
Now passing through is 66572 on 4M63. Felixstowe to Ditton.
The train now approaching platform 5 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 5.
And this one's running approximately 15:15. Going past quite nicely. Supposed to be 66. This one was supposed to be 66572. What happened to that one? Has that changed? And now departing is the 1535 London North Western services to Crewe. $350,117. And now
in zones 1 to 4. Standard
coming into the station, we have
in zones 5 to 10.
the London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street, London North Western, with 35243 in tow. Also arriving is 35239, 1541 to London Euston from Liverpool Lime Street.